Hi, good morning, or at least it's morning to me. My channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over how I do my everyday blush look. So stay tuned if you want to see more. One of my most complimented, highly requested tutorials is how I do my blush, or people just love my blush. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick video on how I do my everyday blush look. Either 2 blush looks or 3. I do a combination of purple blushes or a combination of orangey reddish blushes. Today, as you can see, I did purple blushes. So the blushes I used, e.l.f. liquid blush in Berry Well, and I used Rare Beauty blush in Faith for the area up here. I am a dark skin woman, so even though people say Rare Beauty is very, very pigmented, for me it is not super pigmented, it's just regular. So I go ahead and put 2 dots of Rare Beauty on my upper, I don't want to say temple, you know, the space where your lower eyebrow is. I put my blush there, and then I like to drag blush across my face. I feel that gives you more of a sun-kissed sort of look, like you're blushing within, because then I'm gonna put concealer on top.
I think you all kind of get the gist. I think the visuals will do more justice, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of a soundtrack and put some little helpful tips.
He gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to daily. Tell him go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to daily. Tell him go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich shit. My money thick. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new
Okay, and then you just go ahead and do the rest of your face. I decided to pair this with a purpley like lip look. So yeah, it just matches the blush even more. And I think this is just a cute everyday look. If I'm wearing black, which I am today, I like to do more color for my makeup. So hence the purple bam bam. If you didn't like this video, leave a comment. What do you want to see next? And oh, and don't forget to subscribe. if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Like, you're gonna miss all the good stuff. You're gonna miss everything. So yeah, go ahead and do those things for me, okay? And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I think from here on out, the videos are gonna be a little bit shorter, a little bit more focused, because I'm in school and I'm really busy. So it's just easier to edit shorter video. Once I do something cool and travel again, I 100% will vlog, but as of right now, I'm only doing shorter videos like these. So as always, thanks for watching and have a very wonderful, blessed day. Bye.
Okay, this is how the blush lasted throughout the day, and this was the outfit for today. Business cash is my judge. Bye.